Hi, I'm Mrinal and today we will be talking about the IMF. So, why was the IMF even made? The IMF was made when the World War II happened. Every country decided in the United States that they needed something to have world peace. And now the IMF has come into, and then the IMF came into play. So, why do countries invest in the IMF? Yes, some part of it is to help countries, but they also get an earning, the profit, by interest rates. So, the US so far has had the highest investment, and this is leading for them to have the highest voting right, which is 16%. Why is voting right important? It is important because you get more power to get your perspective in the decision. So US has a more stronger perspective than other countries which don't invest as much. So this can lead to corruption, like countries doing things for US so they can get in the good eyes and have and US can support them. So this leads to corruption, and the US may want them to do the right thing or wrong thing, and that's what the effect could be. But now let's leave that. That is one of the problems by interest rates. Now to go to the second aspect. The thing is, the interest rates lead to debt when a country is not able to pay what they had done before. So in 2020, the IMF had paid 83 countries $165 billion just so they could get out of the COVID crisis loss. Then Japan. This leads to debt when they're not able to pay it back. Like Japan has one of the highest debt GDP ratio in the world to the IMF. It's 177.08%. So this is a major problem because it has many aspects of the country falling apart. So my solution to this is there should be debt cancellation, and there should be a policy where the IMF looks, because they will get an earning and a profit. They need to. So the IMF will look at the country's state after they've helped them. And after that, they will see how much do they have to pay back. How much the country has to pay back. So this gives them a discount on their interest rates, and this just leaves no country in a debt, and the IMF can get an earning this way. So this is leading to a win-win situation for the country and the big countries in the IMF. So that is why that is a very logical and good solution. Thank you.